What does it mean when a defense attorney calls us up and refers us a case? You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this really cool information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. We encounter the same attorneys over and over again on different cases. They're the same law firms that are used and hired by the insurance companies who represent the doctors and hospitals. So we have an opportunity to get to know a lot of these attorneys, and we have an opportunity to go up against these attorneys often in these different cases. So now, what happens when one of those same defense attorneys calls up and says, hey, Gerry, listen, I've got this case, or I've got this client who now suffered a significant injury, and I think you're the right attorney for them. What does that mean? Well, what it means is that they have the trust and confidence in our abilities because they see it firsthand. They see that we can handle a case. They see how we handle ourselves. They see how we represent our client. And there's nothing greater than when an adversary picks up the phone and calls and says, hey, I just want to let you know I'm sending Mrs. Jones to you because you did such a fantastic job on that last case we handled. I think you're the right attorney for her. That's a remarkable thing. And you don't hear about it anywhere. Why not? Because the defense attorneys don't want to publicize the fact that if they know someone who suffered an injury and somebody was careless, and now what happens when they come to them and say, hey, John, could you do me a favor? Could you help me solve my legal problem? Well, they can't because they're on the other side. They represent people who are actually being sued. So now they have to try and give someone advice or give someone help about an attorney who might be able to help them. And it's really cool when we get that call from a defense attorney who says, hey, Gerry, I want you to help this person. They just called me, and see if you can try and help them. I got to tell you, that's really cool when you get that call. And now it clearly gives you the understanding that they recognize and understand that you have competence, that you have the experience, and you have the knowledge necessary to try and help the person that they're referring. So why do I share this quick tidbit of information with you? I share it with you because when you're considering which attorney to hire to represent you in your car accident case or your medical malpractice case or, God forbid, your wrongful death matter, one of the things you might want to ask is, hey, by the way, do any defense attorneys actually call you up and refer cases to you? And the answer is going to surprise you. Now, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.